Would you believe me if I told you I made this entire alphabet song video, the one you're watching right now, in just a few hours using only free AI tools? Watch this.
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, choo. Hop aboard, we're waiting for you. The alphabet train is leaving the station, full of fun and education. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bear who just got out of bed. C is for cat with a curly tail. D is for dog who delivers the mail. Ride the train, through the sunshine, snow and rain. Letters laughing all the way, learning ABCs today.
Yep, 100% AI. And today, I'm showing you exactly how I did it. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, before we even think about melodies or animations, we need a fun idea. Every great song for kids starts with something catchy and playful. And guess what? You don't have to do it alone. Just open up ChatGPT and use this prompt. Generate 10 creative ideas for kids' rhymes focused on fun, learning, and playfulness. In seconds, you'll get a bunch of adorable, kid-friendly themes like the Alphabet Train Adventure, Shapes in the Sky, Wiggle Wiggle Dance Parade. Choose whichever idea sparks your creativity or tweak one to make it your own. Super simple. Alright, I've decided to go with the title, The Alphabet Train Adventure. It just feels energetic and fun, something kids will want to move and sing along with. When you're picking your title, think bright, catchy, and action-filled. Once you have your idea, let's head over to the next step. Writing the lyrics. Now we need to create lyrics for the song title you chose. Don't worry about rhyming or rhythm, ChatGPT's got it covered. Just type in write fun rhyming lyrics for kids titled The Alphabet Train Adventure, or use a title of your choice, then click generate and wait until ChatGPT finishes writing the lyrics. And just like that, ChatGPT delivers an entire song. Alright, let's take these lyrics and turn them into a full song using this awesome tool called Musicful AI. All you need to do is head over to their website. The link's right there in the description. You can create a new account or log in using whatever works best for you. Once you're in, click on the Make Music for Free button. So now just copy the entire lyrics and paste them into the Musicful lyrics box. After that, pick a style that fits the vibe of your song. If you hit more, you'll see extra options like genre, mood, voice type, instruments, and even style. For this tutorial, I'll go with the children's style and choose nursery rhyme for a light, playful vibe. But honestly, go with whatever clicks with your song's energy. Then type in the title of your song. Once everything is set, click generate. And let the magic happen. In just a few seconds, Musicful will generate 2 different versions of your song, and each generation costs 10 credits. Now listen to both versions.
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, choo. Hop aboard, we're waiting for you. The alphabet train is leaving the station, full of fun and education. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, choo. Hop aboard, we're waiting for you. The alphabet train is leaving the station, full of fun and education.
Wow, they're so lively. Now, if you think it doesn't sound right, try changing the style and regenerate again. Once it's done, play the song, then choose the one you think is best. Honestly, they're all so adorable. It's hard to choose, but I'm going with this one. Once you've picked your song, go ahead and download it. You've got options: the full MP3, only the instrumental, or just the vocals. Whatever works best for your project. Alright, now that we have our song, let's bring it to life with fun and engaging visuals that'll really grab kids' attention. Don't worry if you're not a designer. We're using ChatGPT to help us come up with creative prompts for our images. Here's exactly what you'll want to type into ChatGPT. Provide text-to-image prompts to generate 3D animated style images based on the lyrics of the song titled The Alphabet Train Adventure, with 1 image for each line of the lyrics. The images should be fun, colorful, vibrant, and engaging, perfectly suited for young children. then copy the entire lyrics and paste them below the command prompt, then click generate. Now ChatGPT is generating the prompt for us. As you can see, each line comes with an image prompt. Awesome. Now to generate the image, we'll use this free AI tool called Dreamina AI. All you have to do is create a brand new account. When it asks for your birthday, just put in any date. It doesn't matter what date you put. Then skip all the unnecessary steps and get straight to the dashboard. So here's the catch. You might notice that some features are still locked or unavailable, and that's totally expected. It's not exactly free for everyone. In fact, it's region locked, meaning it only works in certain countries. But don't worry. I found a simple and reliable way to get around that limitation, and I'm going to show you how. To resolve this, just use any free VPN and switch your location to the United Kingdom. Then refresh the page, and boom, everything's unlocked. You've just bypassed all those restrictions. You now have full access entirely for free. It's as simple as that. This method isn't guaranteed to be available forever, so don't miss your chance to take action while you can. If you're still watching, that tells me you're really dedicated, and that's the first step to achieving your goals. So do me a quick favor, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll be the first to know when new tips drop. Alright, let's generate the image using this tool. Copy the image prompt you generated in ChatGPT, paste it here, select the most recent model, adjust the aspect ratio and resolution according to your preference, and then click generate. Your image will be ready in seconds. Now you've got 4 image options. Let's check them out. Pick the one that feels right to you. If you'd like, you can tweak it further or explore the extra settings to customize it even more. Alright, let's move on and try creating the second image. And just like that, you've got some awesome images, and the results look incredible. The best part? You didn't pay a cent. Pretty cool, right? Now go ahead and generate the rest of your images. Alright, once you've got all your images, go ahead and download them. Now heads up, they'll have a watermark on them. But no worries, we can fix that easily. Just right-click the image and open it with Photos. Then click Edit and choose AI Erase. Adjust the brush so it covers the watermark. One click and boom, it's gone. Just save the new image and you're good to go. Now it's time to animate our image, transforming a simple picture into a lively, engaging video. Click on the AI video option and upload your image. Then enter your motion prompt. That's simply a short description of how you want the image to move. Make sure you're using the latest model and pick the video length you want. When you're all set, hit generate. It might take a minute or two to render, so kick back, chill, and get ready to see the magic unfold. And we're done. Let's see how the video turned out. Whoa, check this out. It looks amazing. I love how the train moves off while the background stays perfectly still. That's seriously cool. All I did was use the lyrics as a prompt, and honestly, the results are way more impressive than I expected. Alright, let's try to animate another image, but now we'll add a bit more detail to the prompts to really make it stand out. Okay, it's done. And wow, seeing it in motion with the camera moves, that actually looks really good. Not bad at all. When you've got a strong motion prompt, the results can really surprise you, especially since we're working with a free AI tool. Right here, you've got a couple of cool choices. Either improve your video's quality or generate a soundtrack that matches the vibe of your visual. You can tweak both to fit your style, or just keep it simple and download the video as it is. Alright, now just go ahead and finish up the rest of the images. Animation can take a little while, so no pressure. Take your time and have fun with it. If it stops working, just refresh your browser or switch to another account. For editing, we're going to use CapCut. It's free, easy to use, and beginner friendly. So, I've already imported all the necessary files into CapCut. Just drag the audio down onto the timeline and then start lining up your video clips to match the lyrics. Next up, use CapCut's auto lyrics feature to throw in the subtitles for the song. It makes the video way more fun to watch, and it's perfect for kids who are just starting to read. You can also play around with text templates, change up the fonts and colors to keep things fun and playful. Now put some smooth transitions, nothing fancy, even simple fades or slides will do the trick. Add a few fun sound effects here and there too. They really help bring the whole video to life and keep it interesting. You can put a nice filter to boost the visuals and make sure the aspect ratio fits how you want it to look. Once everything's in place, give it a full preview. If you're happy with how it turned out, hit that export button and go with 4K for that crisp, high quality finish. And boom, you've just made a complete animated kids song. How awesome is that? And the best part, you don't need any fancy editing skills, just some cool AI tools and a dash of creativity. For just $5, you can create up to 100 kids rhyme videos. Yep, you heard that right. You can repeat this process again and again to build your very own faceless kids rhyme YouTube channel in one of the most profitable niches out there. So what are you waiting for? All the tools you need are linked down in the description. Go check them out. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the next round of AI-powered magic. Get out there and start creating. Your next viral nursery rhyme hit might just be one video away. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you create.